Hey guys, so this is part 4, the last episode of painting my birdhouses for Father's Day. Sorry I haven't done a video in a while, I've just been really busy. So I think I'm only going to be doing videos on the weekends or something. So I'm going to start painting. So I just realized this morning that it's Father's Day and I should finish this before I give it to my grandpa today. So for these I was thinking of doing just a chocolate milk color, chocolate milk. So I'm gonna put some brown on my palette, a lot because I'm gonna be painting a big area. And then instead of using some white, I'm gonna use peach because peach is like a super light version of brown. So. There. I'm gonna use this because it's pretty big, and so that my video isn't really long, painting with a tiny paintbrush. Okay, I think I'm gonna add a bit more peach because it's not really the light brown I expected it to be. This is starting to look pretty good. I think I'm gonna add just a touch of white because this peach is not really working. Whoa. Okay, this is looking a bit better. Anyways, so I wish I could turn on the comments to see what you guys gave your fathers for Father's Day. Gave your dad for Father's Day and grandpa's. If you guys want, you can skip to the end of the video where this is completely finished, but I'm just gonna talk about random stuff so that you guys aren't completely bored while watching this. Okay. If you guys can see my shirt, I hope you like it because I made it myself and I think it looks really nice. For a very long time, I've wanted to record myself playing piano on YouTube. So I'm gonna try and do that because I have a new song I've been practicing that I really want to show you guys. So maybe like tomorrow or on the weekend maybe, I'll record myself playing it. So as you can see, I have a mat down because my mom does not want me to get paint on the counter. Yeah, this isn't really stable because of that little peg. I gave the other birdhouse to my grandpa yesterday because we had to see him yesterday and not today. And he really liked it. I honestly love doing tie-dye, so maybe I'll do a video of that. I don't know really what I'm gonna do, but whenever I have an idea, I just decide if I could do it or not. Depends about the supplies we have. And I would do it if we have enough supplies. Like maybe a slime video eventually, or anything really. I'm trying not to get paint on this little light thing. And the light does still work, just in case you're wondering that. And the bottom, I have to paint. Trying not to get paint on me. Oh. There. I'm gonna turn it my way because I have to see what I'm painting. Wow, this was a surprisingly short video. I think it's because I was just using one color. But I just wanted to finish this. Okay, well, I hope you guys like it. And the next YouTube video I do, I hope it's gonna be good. But yeah, I hope you guys like this. Please remember to be safe, stay safe, and be smart. Bye, guys.